Hi everyone, and welcome to this brand new interactive series on vector algebra. In this series, we are going to start right from the basics, covering simple definitions, fundamental vector operations, and vector arithmetic. We'll be learning everything visually and interactively so you can truly build an intuition for how vectors work and how they interact. First, I will introduce each concept visually to break things down. This will help you get a clear geometric understanding before we dive into the coding part. We will then bring these ideas to life using Web VPython, also known as Glowscript. It's an excellent tool that lets us create real-time 3D simulations right in your web browser. I'll be using PyDLE. It's an app that I have been developing myself. PyDLE is a Python learning and development environment. It's still under development and not yet released. So if you want to follow along, you can go to this website. It's trinket.io/glowscript. It's a free and accessible platform, so you can start using it right away. But here comes the exciting part. The end goal of the series is to understand and simulate a fascinating real-world phenomenon called the cardioid pattern. This beautiful shape naturally forms due to the geometry of circular reflections, and by the end of the series, you will have all the tools and understanding to model it yourself. So not only will we learn the theory and math, but we will also see how it connects to the world around us. So, if you are ready to explore vectors from the ground up and work toward a beautiful real-world simulation, let's get started. Make sure to subscribe and follow along with the series. See ya!